So you're wondering how to put money on Chime card at ATM. But this is like an official here article using ATMs with Chime. You may be wondering if you can add money to a Chime account at an ATM. Unfortunately, you won't be able to deposit cash at an ATM, so it's not possible to deposit cash on ATM. However, withdraw cash at more than 5,000 fee-free ATM locations. Some of the places you can find the fee-free ATMs to withdraw cash includes Walgreens, 7-Eleven, Target, CVC Pharmacy, and Circle K. So, like you can see, you cannot. Let me just show you. When I go into Google and search it up, you can see you won't be able to do this with an ATM, but you can go to a store like similar adding money on Cash App. You'll need to go in store to reload your Chime card. In this case, your yeah. So you need to go to a retailer and then tell them, "Here's my card. I want to give you money so you can upload the money on my card." And that's basically it. You need to visit a store from a retailer so you can reload your like cash onto the card. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.